General! General! It's here! Oh my goodness! It has arrived! Woohoo! Well, what is it, little guy? What do we got here? Well, sir, I believe this is the Mars TS-1000 you were waiting for. The final piece of the project. Yeah, I do believe that is what this is, my little friend. Let's go take this over by the Christmas tree and unbox it. Well, sir, that sounds like an excellent idea. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The Mars Hydro TS-1000 for the Pollinate grow. Let's unbox this baby and see what's inside. Okay, got my key right here. I always use a key to do the tape on these boxes. The reason I use a key instead of a box cutter is it is a blunt object, but yet it does have enough piercing power to pop shipping tape. Okay, got a little bit of a dinger there in transport, so let's check out how well they box it up. Dun. All right, there she is with the instruction pamphlet right there. All right, as you can see, there's the instruction manual for the light as well as the warranty card. Here you have the light. It is packed with some foam here. We have the ballast right here on top. There is the plug insertion point for the ballasts. Mine did come with the United States power cord. And this is where the ballast plugs into the lamp. And if you look here, you could even remove the ballast if you needed to and maybe mount the ballast on a wall or something. Okay, so let's remove this light from the box. Also included in the box is a ratcheting hanger system, which is always nice to have. Just like in the Grow Star, you do have your hanging hooks right here. And a little instruction card for your ratcheting system. Okay, so we're pulling the light out of the box here. Boy, it is like Christmas opening this box here with the tree. They have a nice little piece of plywood protecting the LED side of the light here, which is really nice. So we'll pull this styrofoam off of here. Alright, so as you see, let me turn it the right way here. As you see here, this is the ballast. Okay, here's a little bit of a bummer with the unboxing, is we do see that the reflector did take a little hit of damage there, little ding in there. So unfortunately, it probably happened in the warehouses, my guess, before it was packed. Just a little ding there. Shouldn't mess with the output at all. It's simply a reflector. And it could be bent out and fixed. That's not a big deal. I do believe Greenleaf Grow had a little issue with that too, but not a big deal. But there is your LED panel. Kind of cool that they put the Mars Hydro logo in there. There is your input for your ballast. So you pop the ballast in right there. And like I say, you can actually remove the ballast and mount the ballast outside of the grow tent, which is possibly what I might do. Very simple design. So let's fire this puppy up and see how bright she is. I'm gonna have to be honest and admit that this ballast cord was a little bit difficult to fit through this opening here. It's like a snug can be fit, so you do have to hold this little piece that it goes into just so it won't break off. Hold that there and then give it a firm little push through there to get it through and all the way in. So, and there you go. It's all the way in now. Alright, so let's put this baby and plug her in. I have an outlet right here. Oh boy, she's already on. My goodness. So is there no on-off switch? Oh boy. Ooh. There she is, boys. Oh my gosh, is she bright. Look at that. She's so bright, I can't even really pick her up for you guys to see. Look at that. It's putting the white adjustment off on the light. So she's very bright, that's for sure. So that's a definite good thing. Wow, I'm impressed with the brightness of this light for sure. You know, so impressed I'm gonna have to turn it off. The one thing that would be nice is if the light had an on-off switch, which it does not. This light does not have an on-off switch that I'm seeing. Yes, there's no on-off switch, which that's a little bit of a bummer. It would be nice if it had an on-off switch. So I'm going to go ahead and put the foam back on the sides here so the light does not get damaged. Okay guys, there you have it for the unboxing of the TS1000 from Mars Hydro. This light will be put into a 32 by 32 by 63 tent, and we will be growing 4 auto flowers under this, and yeah, we'll see what this little baby can do. Be very fun. It looks to be a very bright light, and that's what you want for sure. It was a little warm when it was running, so we'll see how that does in the tent. But look for the tent setup video to come very soon. That's what we'll be doing tomorrow, is we'll be setting up the tent, and I will do a tent setup video. With that, I say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, folks.